Hi there, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video, we will take a look at how do we create a group chat in Microsoft Teams using Power Automate Desktop. Now, if you are in the Teams UI, you can simply head over to this icon and click on New Message. You can provide the name of all the participants that you would like to create the group chat for. So for example, we have Adele, Alex, and then Lydia. In this case, you are creating the group chat. You can also name the group chat. So for example, let's go ahead and call it out as the Power Automate Desktop Chats. And then you can start your conversations between the group members. Now we're going to do exactly this using the Power Automate Desktop. So let me go ahead and for now delete this group chat. So let's head over to three dots. So let me go ahead and discard this for now. Alright, so let's head over to Power Automate Desktop. Now this is in the continuation part of the series of Microsoft Teams. So we already have written many actions here, but this is something which is completely separate. So we are good to ignore the other actions for now and can focus on creating the group chat. So head over to Microsoft Teams, expand that and look for create chat. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop create a chat. Now the title, let's give it a title as the Power Automate Desktop Champions or the Champs. And members to add, all you need is the email addresses of the users with whom we would like to create a group chat. So let me grab three users. I'll have Adele, put semicolon. Then I'll have Alex, again put semicolon. And then I'm going to have a Diego. Now, one thing important to note here is make sure that the connection reference used account, you don't add them into members to add. So for an example, currently I'm using my account. So I don't want to add, or I should not be adding rather, my account into members to add. Otherwise you will get an error. So just make sure that you exclude that account because you are the one who is creating this group chat. So this account is the one who is creating the group chat. We don't need to add the user into this. So click on save. And for now, I don't want to execute any other actions. So I'll simply go ahead and use stop workflow or stop flow. Just drag and drop here so that none of the actions gets executed afterwards. It will show a warning, but that's fine. Let's go and run. And I'll keep this open so that we'll see the group chat getting created dynamically. So it should have. So now it's creating a group chat. And we should have the group chat created. So there we have it. You can see Power Automate Desktop group chat is now created using these members. So let's go ahead and see the members. And you will see that Alex, Adele, and Diego, and myself, because I was the one who was using my credentials, my connections to create the group chat. And now we can go ahead and start chatting, start having conversations with these team members. Keep watching the videos to know more about the Microsoft Teams actions in Power Automate Desktop. I thank you so much for watching this video.